Hello, my name is Rick Bult. I'm the owner of FastSigns of Saratoga Springs. We've been in business now for a little over 5 years, and it's a great area to be working in and a very growth-oriented part of New York State. Prior to doing this, I spent 25 years in the printing and graphic arts industry. The first part of that was in commercial printing, Boss lithography, and our main go-to supplier for inks was INX. They were located also in the Albany area. So when I saw INX at our trade show making ink for the HP flatbed printer, it was basically a no-brainer. I already had a very good trust level with the company, their product, and their services. We've been in business a little over 5 years now, and we continue to grow between 15 and 20% annually. We started off in 1,500 square feet. When we added the HP flatbed printer, we moved into a 3,800 square foot facility. And shortly thereafter, we started looking at other ways to keep our cost of goods down. And one of those was to evaluate the OEM ink situation that we were currently using. We had already made the change on our eco-solvent printer to a third-party ink with very good results. And so we were very excited to run into the folks at INX at our annual convention in Orlando. So when we first put the printer in, we were printing on everything from aluminum composite material to polystyrene, corrugated plastic, banner material, paper, and it worked really well. The only material we did have a little bit of problems with was the die bond ACM materials. We'd have to print one side, laminate it, then print the second side because we were getting some scratching. The ink adhesion on the Triangle HFB inks does seem to be superior to the OEM inks. You can now print side 1, print side 2, and then go into our finishing without scratching the material, so we've been very happy with the results. When we made the actual conversion, they asked us to block out 2 days for the process, and the color specialist that came in had this machine converted in about 4 to 5 hours. So I was wondering, okay, well, what are they going to do now for the other day and a half? They basically spent another solid day just tweaking our color profiles, getting things to the way we wanted them, and stepping up. They could have got on a plane and left, but they stayed the extra time. They put the extra work in, ran test print after test print, made adjustments, and definitely far exceeded the quality of what we were printing prior to them arriving. So the 2 days that we were down, having a color background myself, I know what it costs to do ICC profiling. The results were phenomenal, and it was well worth the conversion process. Another big part of the decision between staying with OEM and converting to the Triangle ink was the cost involved. When we went from the OEM ink to the Triangle ink, we saw an additional 32% savings. Our cost per milliliter now is under 10 cents compared to 30 cents. So 32% ink savings is quite substantial, and definitely to have that savings at the bottom line, along with the quality and the durability. You're not saying, here's 3, pick 2. You get to choose 3, and you get all 3 of those choices. Another part of making the conversion was knowing that you're picking a partner you can trust. And having experience with INX for 25, 30 years, I knew I had a solid partner behind me. And their results with the Triangle ink for the eco-solvent line speaks for itself as well. It's a recommended ink by FastSigns International, and now FastSigns International is standing behind the UV ink as well. So we know that we made the right choice by partnering with INX and choosing the Triangle HFB ink. I tell everybody, if you have that printer and you haven't made the conversion to Triangles ink, you're just throwing money out the window. It's a win-win across the board, and I have other owners that have thanked me for that recommendation because they've made that conversion, and they've seen the same thing that we've seen. They've seen the increase in quality, the decrease in cost, and they couldn't be happier.